How to create folder in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro software. Select New Project. Write your project name here. Select Browse to save the project location. Keep the settings same and select OK. Click the right button of the mouse on the project panel and select Import. Select the file and open it. Press Ctrl and I button of the keyboard. Select the file and open it. Right-click of the mouse on the project panel and select New Bin. A folder has created. Select all files and drag to the folder and drop it. Select the folder icon of the project panel and a folder will create. Select File and then select New and then select Bin. A folder has been created. Press Ctrl and B to create a new bin or a new folder. Those are the ways to create folder in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.